we are back in Sajaa oh, Zach came along today. Boys room, oh yeah. Thank you guys, doing some good work. Very nice. That's the update. All right, we are back in Sajaa to check out all the joinery works in the joinery workshop. And oh, Zach came along today. But so this is everything in here is for my villa in JVC. These are all the doors that they're working on right now. This is a kitchen. Also, these are our doors. Doors. These are the frames. So these are the frames. Watch your step. These are the frames for all the doors. You see that? Look how nice that is. You see how that's rounded? It gives it a nice little design to it. But these are all for the frames. Some more crown molding. Are these for the closets or the frames? Backside. Backside frame. Oh, for the room, for the doors. Okay. Backside frame. And this is, do you know what door this is? Bedroom. Bedroom door? Maybe? Okay. This is kitchen stuff, kitchen items. They're still working on the doors. Okay, so what else are you guys working on right now? These are all the doors, and this is the stairs, right? This is gonna be for the stairs? Oh, these are for the steps. Is that for the landing over there? Ah, there it is. There are the steps.
Some already.
Some are ready.
This one, the big.
Yeah, the big one.
Post.
Oh yeah, the one, the landing area. So he's talking about the landing area. Oh yeah, that is just putting them together. Yeah, landing area. Did you guys already? Is this the final staining, or are you gonna stain it?
Yes, polish.
You're gonna polish it. Okay. All right. So it looks good. I just wanted to get an idea. These are all the closets. So we have work being done. We got lots of items still to prepare. And our appliances are here. So do you know where the sink is for the sink?
Kitchen?
Yeah, kitchen sink. Which one? Ah, okay. So there's the sink. Okay, I just want to see it.
This one is center.
Yeah. This is the center?
Sink downside.
Ah, okay. Very nice. All right, cool. So that's the update for today. It looks good, but I think there's still some work to be done. They're still putting it together, but you know, they were showing me also in here some more of the drawers for the kitchen. All right. Well, that's the update. I am waiting anxiously. See if we can get this all done. But I mean, just the delivery of all this stuff is gonna be interesting. You know, getting it to the house. But looks like, what is it? Oh, just show me. What is that? Is that for the bedrooms? What is this? Oh, the boys' room.
Boys.
Boys' room. Oh yeah, nice.
Yes. 2 part, one.
Okay, very nice. All right, I forgot about that. That's gonna be cool. All right, that's the update at the joinery factory in Sajaa. More to come. This is kind of the before, and then it's like a puzzle. They're gonna have to come to the house, put it all together. That's gonna be fun to watch. So let's see. Thank you guys, doing some good work. Very nice. And we'll keep working along.